everyone, in today's video I am going to be looking at a physics key equation, and I will be looking specifically at calculating speed. This falls into CP1 and SP1. Okay, to calculate speed in meters per second, you have to take the distance in meters and divide that by time in seconds. This can also be written as S equals X divided by T. Okay, and S stands for speed, X stands for distance, and T stands for time. You can also take this equation and place it into a formula triangle here, and that then allows you to rearrange the equation to be able to work out each of the factors. So to begin with, if you cover up yes, because we want to work out speed, you'll see that what we need to do is have distance divided by time. Okay, if we now cover up distance, x, we are left with s, speed, times time. And then finally, if we cover up time, what we need to do is distance divided by speed. Okay, so what I'd like to do now is do a worked example to show you how this equation can be used. Okay, so the person cycles at 6 meters per second. That unit there, meters per second, gives us a clue that we're talking about speed, and travels a distance, it's told us distance there, of 120 meters, and that unit is another indication that we're talking about distance. Asks you to calculate how long it took them to travel this distance. Now, it hasn't actually used the word time, but the phrasing how long it took obviously is implying time. So we want to work out time. How do we do that? So what we could do is get our formula triangle we had just a moment ago. Speed equals distance divided by time. If we want to work out time, we'll cover that up, and then we have this left. So that means that is distance divided by speed. Okay, now if I substitute in the numbers I have at the top here, I would have 120 meters divided by the 6 meters per second. Tap that into a calculator, and my answer would be 20. Now we're talking about time, so it would be in seconds, so the answer is 20 seconds. There you go.